I can get behind a slogan like that. Hi everybody, and a warm welcome back to MapleLeafCustoms in Switzerland. I'm Andrew, and on the bench today is a 1:28 scale Fiat 500e made by Kinsmart. I grabbed this one from a discount store as it was marked down on sale. That's what hit means in Switzerland, and because it was a plain casting with no tampos. In this video, I'll show you how I make over a car using only decals. No disassembly, no paint stripping, no airbrushing, just decals. I've done a couple of Kinsmart cars before. They're pullback models. I just don't know why the stores put such heavy stickers on here. Looking for the goo gun. I'm glad you found my channel today. If you come back real soon, you'll see a Range Rover Classic done up for the Girl Scouts, a pair of police cruisers as spotted at the donut shop. I'm doing an old Chevy pickup in gas monkey livery. I've also got my hands on a vintage Aviva Ferrari. Lots of variety and lots of fun, so come on back real soon. This build is all about decals, so the first thing I do is measure mine out and create them myself. You need a good side view silhouette of the casting you're working on. Then I print out as many as I need in black and white just for test fits. That's cheaper than decal paper. In this case, I'm using Ghost White Toner cartridges, which replaces the black cartridge in my printer. It's a great thing to have for this hobby. Some may consider it to be a bit pricey, but it lasts forever, so I consider it to be money well spent. Looks brilliant on a bright background, doesn't it? I'm going with Coca Cola today for this demo because it's my go-to soft drink. I'm actually a Coke Zero man these days, and I think it's a striking looking livery. I've decided after testing many different brands that I like the thinnest possible foil that I can find in waterslide decal paper because it leaves almost no noticeable edges, which is an important factor for me. I use a Q-tip to squeegee out any air bubbles and regularly apply a wet paintbrush to keep it wrinkle-free and moist while I'm moving it around for placement. Takes a lot of practice. It's an acquired skill. Printing them at home means that I can make lots of extras in case I blow it, which happens pretty regularly. I'd hate to have to order these from Australia or somewhere else far away, crinkle up the 2 or 3 that they send me, and have to order again. As you can see, it's already making a great difference on this otherwise very plain Fiat. Such a huge impact. Microsol is a companion solution to Microset. This one goes on after you've got the decals in place. A light coating is going to suck them down into the door jambs and the contours of the car. Fair warning, after you apply this, there's no more moving the decals around because it's actually dissolving the decal paper and you're going to just rip it. Don't want that to happen. Today's community shoutout goes to the YouTube channel ToyoteroDiecast, which is diecast and collectibles together. It's a fun little channel that I hope you'll check out. The very last step in a decal makeover is clear coating your car. I recommend the 2K Clear solution by Diecast Graveyard. Let's have a closer look at the Coca Cola Fiat 500e. If there are opening doors like this model has, I don't cut along the door joints until the decals are clear coated and fully cured, again so as not to tear a wet decal. The pullback still works, and we've got a beautiful and quite simple makeover using only decals. Plain Jane Red is now a sharp-looking, rolling advertisement for Coca Cola. An all-white car would be the easiest way to get you started. I used ghost white decals to go over the brilliant red background today. Start out with some cheap castings, try to learn how to make your own decals at home, perfect your art, and have lots of fun with it. It really does make it a whole new casting. Thanks for visiting my channel today. I hope you enjoyed this and that it'll help you a little bit. Drive carefully. It's coffee time.